In this video, I'll teach you how to create barcodes such as these ones in Excel, which can be recognized by any barcode scanner. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, we have a list of codes which we're going to create barcodes from, and the codes consist of letters as well as numbers. And to make sure the conversion happens correctly, we have to make sure that the list of codes has the text format. So we have to right click, go to Format Cells, make sure that they are saved as text. So that has to be the format. So that's the first step. And the second step is to write a formula so that Excel would recognize the start and stop characters for the barcodes. And that formula is as follows. It's currently displayed on the screen. So it's equal sign, double quotation, open parentheses, another double quotation, and then the reference to the cell. The reference to the first cell is going to be cell A2, another and, another double quotation, ending parentheses, and another double quotation. And then we will click on enter. And there we go. Now I'm going to be dragging this all the way down. And once again, the reason we have created this extra column which contains these formulas is that this formula simply adds those markers so scanners know where the barcode begins and where it ends. So next step is to select our data range. Then we have to go to Home. And in this section, we have to select a specific font. And that font is the IDAutomation Code 39 font. So I'll scroll all the way down. There it is. So we're all done. So after we apply this IDAutomation Code 39 font, the barcodes have been successfully created for the entire data range. Now, if you don't see the IDAutomation HC39 font in your font section in Excel, don't worry at all. Chances are that doesn't exist by default. Installing it is very simple. It's just a few simple steps you have to follow. First, you have to go to this website, which is currently displayed on the screen, and there you can download it for free. So after you click on this website, you will arrive at a website such as this one, and there you have to click on Download Now. So this allows you to download this font completely free. After you click on download, check your downloads folder on your device. It's going to be downloaded in zip format. So first step here is to unzip it by clicking on extract all. And then a page such as this appears. There you have to find files that end in TTF or OTF. You can see a TTF file, a true type font file here. This is the file that we have in mind, and this is the file we have to install. So once again, this is how the folder structure looks like after you do the unzipping. After you click on extract all, you have to click on a folder similar to this one, and then you go to the TTF file, and then you right click and you click on install. And make sure you do this while Excel is closed. So you have to make sure Excel is closed while you're installing this. And after the install is over, which takes less than a minute, then open Excel again. Upon doing that, this IDAutomation HC39 font will appear in your Excel font section, and you can apply it to create the barcodes similar to these ones. And these barcodes can be recognized by any barcode scanner, and this is a very neat and unique trick that you can use in Excel to create barcodes. And that's how it's done. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.